Fuentes Cassandra O. Learn 1B. Lastra Ana Marcela C.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yarina Zephyr Acondegamu. When I grow up, I want to be a nurse.
Degamo Yerina Zephyr A. Fuentes Cassandra R. Lastra Ana Marcel C. Runner Luan D. Zephyr A. With honors. Best in sensorial and practical life. Best in reading and writing. Best in arts. Most optimistic. Most modest. Aznar Blessy Anna. With honors. Best in sensorial and practical life. Best in math. Best in language. Most obedient and most adventurous. Baste Charlie II.